Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at energy systems and renewable energy systems. Energy systems. What is energy? What are energy systems? Every day in life you need energy for you to do so many things. If you want to drive your car needs energy. And how does the car get energy? Through the fuel that you give your car. If you want to light up this place, we need electrical energy in order for our bulbs to be on. If you want to, if you're in temperate regions where the weather is very cold, you need energy in order to warm your environment. So energy is so important. You need the electricity energy in your house for you to enjoy your television and do other things. And we know that we define energy as the ability to do work. So for anything in life to do work, it needs energy. So we need energy in so many ways. If you're in your house, you need electricity. You need energy to pump water. So how can you get this energy? So, since everything needs energy, how do you, if you want to fly through the, if you want to use airplane to transport yourself, the aeroplane needs energy. So how do we get this energy? We can source energy from fossil fuel. You can get solar energy, you can use wind energy. There are many different types of energy. So when you try to explore all these ways of getting energy in order to satisfy our energy demand, we are doing what we call energy systems. And that is what we're going to be studying. Now we found out that the energy that we get through fossil fuel, so most times, is not very good to our environment because of the release of CO, carbon monoxide, and because of the release of some toxic waste that are not good for our body, our health, and to our environment. Most of these energy sources that we use, they emit what we call greenhouse gases that deplete the ozone layer and cause problem for our environment. So what is the best way of getting the right energy for us to use? So when we study all this, we are doing what we call energy system. And we say that energy system is simply the exploration and utilization of ways. There are different energy sources. So when we explore all of them and utilize them, so exploration and utilization of ways and options of energy supply to meet social and economic needs. And what are these needs? We need energy for cooking, we need it for lighting, we need it for comfort, we need it for mobility to drive our cars, and we need it for communication, many things. So when we're able to explore and utilize these many ways of generating this very energy in order to meet social and economic needs, as well as reducing the negative impacts, your focus should not be on getting the energy alone, but get the kind of energy that is clean, renewable energy that is clean, that does not affect the health and environment adversely. So, as well as reducing negative impacts of energy sources on the environment and health. So when we do that, we know we are studying what we call energy system. This energy system includes energy conservation and efficiency, fossil fuel switching, renewable energy, very important, nuclear and carbon capture and storage. And for us to be able to achieve this energy system in a proper way, in order to save our environment and our health, we need proper policies from the government. The government and other institutions have to be up and doing in bringing up proper policies that will help us. And another thing, that we need the right infrastructures in place. Nowadays, the best energy system that we should be looking at, we are talking about energy systems like the solar energy, because of its ability to give us enough energy, and at the same time, it's not very bad to the environment and to our health. Unlike fossil fuel, and that is why we talk about what? Fossil fuel switching. We need to switch from fossil fuel to other sources of energy that are renewable and are very good to our environment. Now, we talk about the history of energy system. The type of energy we are using now is not the same as what we are using in the time known as the pre-industrialization period. In pre-industrialization period, the major source of energy is human power. You have to do the work by your muscle power, or what we call animal power. You have donkeys and horses to carry things for you. And we also use what we call biomass. We also use wood and charcoal. They were majorly basic forms of energy that we used in pre-industrial era. Then we'll talk about the industrial revolution, when we started using mostly the steam power, the energy derived from heating water or heating fluids. And we'll talk about the steam engines. Later we started utilizing the solar energy, the heat engine, the thermal energy, the wind energy, the energy from crude oil or fossil fuel, nuclear energy, and oil from shell and other sources. So whenever you want to talk about the history of energy systems, you have to talk about first the pre-industrial era, and you talk about the industrial revolution. The industrial revolution actually, these systems of energy used during the industrial revolution are there because of there is need for more energy. During the industrial revolution, there was need for more energy from every source. So you find out that the muscle power or the animal power was not enough to take care of the energy needs. So human beings now started discovering and exploring other ways to provide energy in order to satisfy the wants of cooking, lighting, space comfort, mobility, communication, and other areas. So it is very important that we understand that there is this need for so much energy. If you want to drive your car, you need the best energy. And we need this energy. It's not every type of energy. We need the kind of energy that is not affecting our environment adversely. The one that is not affecting our health adversely. So that's why we're exploring more ways. We are looking at currently in this time, we're looking at solar energy, very, very fantastic form of energy. The sun has abundance of solar energy, and we need to find a way of tapping it, especially if you come to in tropics like here in Nigeria. In the sun, we have abundance in the supply of sun and its energy. So we need to find ways of tapping from it. So we need to look at other areas, and we know that the non-renewable energies like the fossil fuel, the rate at which they are produced is not the same as the rate at which they are consumed. So it is predicted that they could run out of, we could run out of fossil fuel. So we need to find other forms of energy that we can be using apart from the fossil fuel. And those types of energy are what we call renewable energy. So we'll talk about the solar energy, we'll talk about energy from wind, energy from biological energy, from biomass and other forms. So we're going to be examining all these forms of energy, the way we can use them to produce more energy in Africa, in Nigeria in particular. So please, I'm going to be stopping here. In subsequent classes, we're going to be looking at these energy types,